Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Simran and you're watching Ordinary Girl. In this video, as per the title, you already know that I'm going to convert this area of my room into a neon sign. Let's see how it goes and let's see. As per you see, I'm already in my comfortable t-shirt, but one thing is that is not comfortable here is my hair. So I'm gonna tie it up. So now I'm completely ready with my t-shirt and my hair tied up. So this is what I'm going to make here. It will look like neon sign. Don't you think? Love. यार ये inverse में क्यों दिखता है यार?
At first, for the convenience, you have to make it with the pencil if you want to. I'm not using pencil because I'm not sure I'm gonna do it right or not. So here for the base, I'm using white color. Like पहले देख लेंगे कि white color से कैसा लग रहा है, and then we will do some finishing.
Here I use fabric castle, acrylic colors. It totally depends upon you which type of color you want to do. Even you can do this by the sketch pens and markers. I have seen that on a video. I'm not sure because I'm not an artist, but it turns out good, so all that I care.
Pay a little attention while making the curves because that is the main thing over there. The solution I use is very thin, so that's why I have to do the double coating to make it look more presentable.
I suggest you not to add water in your color. Here the main part come. I have taken a little pink and mixed it with another red, white and make a solution like light pink, and I'm doing a bordering right over there. As you already see that you have to be finite for this, so I have taken a brush that have like less number.
Again, be patient while doing the corners because if you spoil that up, everything gets spoiled. That's the main part. I suggest you to do a more thicker bordering than me because I think that will look more good and realistic.
Don't think I'm a professional here because I have never done any this type of thing in my whole life. This is my first experience. As I've done first in my page, that's the reason I do this, because I don't have any clue is it going to work or not, but the page turned out good, so I draw it here also.
Again, I am giving the touch up with the pink.
Now I have taken my dark pink, which is like pure pink that I got from them, and just doing the border of that pink. First we do the border of white with light pink, then we do the border of pink with dark pink. You can choose any color, like if you want to give it a bluish look, but my wall is already blue, that's why I don't give a blue look. Sorry, I don't have any brush, so I make a jugaad with life hack with my eyeliner brush, because उसकी टिप बहुत ही thin होती है. Okay, that's the reason I use that in a lot of things. Now I have decided to use a yellow outline inside the pink one. Like for first it's white, then yellow, then light pink, then dark pink. That's how I go. I do this because
You guys must have noticed when the LED shines, it reflects some yellow color at its bordering. So that's why I think it will give it a more realistic look.
finally main body is done, and now I only need that emitting pink light from that. So for this I use a light pink, very thin solution of pink, and start doing this thick bordering so that it will give appearance of like emitting of light, which is dark gap. Okay, I don't know you are able to see that on camera or not, but just skip 10 seconds or 20 seconds and you will see that it does gap. After doing whole pink emitting background, I have making another solution of pink and yellow mix to give it a more realistic look, and after pink I do that yellow solution over there. As you can see, like so much smooth, because that was so smooth. For that last solution I'm not even a single bit worried like how it is going to done. I just swept my hands and it just goes right. So this is the final look, how it looks like, and I'm extremely happy with this. It gives a very great vibe to me. Video of me struggling to make the sign, and if you do, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. Oh my god, I have made a mess. Okay, subscribe. Bye.